Welcome back, students. In this video, I will help you to solve communication problems, that is 4-mark questions with respect to communications. Now it is enough if we know the answer for these 12 questions and we can easily answer all communication related questions, that is 4-mark questions with respect to communications. So now let us discuss the questions one by one. They will be asking to identify the type of network. If this type of question is being asked, the answer for this one is, see, we have to check the question. For a LAN setup, it is up to 5 kilometers. For a MAN setup, it is 5 kilometers to 50 kilometers. For a WAN setup, the distance is above 50 kilometers. They will be asking to identify the ideal place or the location to have the server with their justification. When we look into their table which is given, we are going to say that the server has to be installed at a place where you find the maximum number of systems. If you are having 4 buildings, each building is having 3 buildings is having 20, assume that you are having 4 buildings. First building is having 10 systems, second building is having 20, third building is having 30, and fourth building is having 40 systems now. Where will we place the server if the question is asked now? Obviously, it is the fourth building. Why? Because you are having the maximum number of systems there. Then moving on to the third question, name the topology used to build the network. Normally, you do have many topologies. With respect to this question and answer session, we can cut short the answer either towards a star or bus, preferably star. So name the device used to connect the systems in a building or within a building. That is, device used to connect all the systems that are present within a building. If this type of question is asked, now the answer for the question is hub or switch. Name the device used for internet connection. So for internet connectivity, we need modem. This would be our answer. So name the medium of communication. They will be asking transmission media or what would be the cheapest transmission media. Any type of questions pertaining to that. Here I have given a concise answer. See, medium of communication denotes transmission media. You have 2 types as we have discussed in the theory topic. So it is wired as well as wireless. In wired, for cheap and effective efficient transmission of data, twisted pair cable. Fiber optics for faster. If you need more speed, or else you can also use Ethernet cable. It is medium cost, and you can also use that one if people are not preferring twisted pair cable. Then for wireless communication, the cheapest and effective efficient mode is radio waves. And if they are asking for what is the transmission media for hilly regions, then especially we will be preferring radio waves, wherein it can penetrate even the walls. Wired connection is not possible in hilly region because of the terrain itself. So it is not a flat terrain, it will be some zigzag thing. So for high speed wireless connectivity for a very long distance, we prefer satellite. So name the device used to protect, safeguard data in a particular network. So firewall will be our answer. It is a hardware cum software device that prevents unauthorized access in a data network. With respect to the 8th question, name the device used to connect different network. If I want to connect 2 different networks now, I will be using a device called as a router. The device used to control the bandwidth. This question is a little bit important. The device used to control the bandwidth while using the internet is switch. Kindly remember this one. So switch, for example, if 4 systems are connected via switch. All persons have been given net connections and 2 of them are not using it. 2 of them are effectively using it now. We can cut those 2 connections and we can give the we can share the bandwidth for the other 2 who are using the net connection. The next question is name the protocol. See, these are the protocol we have to remember. For data transmission in a network, the protocol used is TCP/IP. For video conferencing, we will be using VoIP. For wireless communication, we will be using WAP, which is meant for wireless application protocol. For chatting purpose, we will be using IRC, Internet Relay Chat. For transferring of files, we will be using FTP protocol. For email, for sending, I will be using SMTP. For receiving, IMAP or POP3. So, when do we need a repeater? Where we will place the same. So, in order to enhance the signal, we need a repeater. And where we will place? If you are having 4 buildings, we have to check the distance between each and every building. So, when 2 buildings are located more than 70 meters apart from each other, more than 70 meters apart from each other, then we require a repeater. So the last question would be drawing the layout diagram. See, always try to go for or prefer star topology. Under extreme condition, we can choose bus. So when to choose bus? Now, when there is no direct connection between the server and all other buildings, we will be moving on to what is that bus topology. With this note, let us straight away move on to the problem and let us try to solve. Again, I repeat, in order to solve communication problems, it is enough if you know the answer for these 12 questions. And with these 12 questions, we can easily solve that particular network 4-mark question much easier. Now let us try to solve 3 board papers with respect to this communication 4-mark question. So keeping those 12 questions in mind, we are trying to attempt this particular problem. Here they have given a big paragraph. It is enough if you go through the what is that tabular column which is present. It is not necessary that at times we need to read this particular paragraph. All right. So let us check, or let us read from the beginning itself. Jonathan and Jonathan Training Institute is planning to set up its center in Amritsar with the 4 specialized blocks for medicine, management, law courses along with admission block in separate buildings. The physical distances between these blocks and the number of computers to be installed in these blocks are given below. You as a network expert have to answer the queries as raised by their board of directors given in question numbers 1 to 4. Shortest distance between various locations, they are given in a tabular column. So the number of computers installed at the various locations are given for 4 buildings. See, when you are looking at this one itself, so from where to start this problem? So how to start, or what is the starting point of this problem now? We have to check the number of systems. Here I am having 4 buildings. See, I am having 150, 70, 20 and 50. Easily I can say that this 150 is the highest number of computers where we have, which is the block which is having the highest number of systems. Admin block is the place where I have maximum number of systems. So server should be placed here. From there, you try to check for all other connections. We have to check whether you are having a direct connection between admin block to management block, admin to medicine, admin to law. If you are having that work now, drawing the layout diagram will be simple. Again, I repeat, in order to draw a layout diagram, we have to check the previous table which is given here. I have chosen admin block as the server. From the server, I should have a direct connection between all the other three buildings. Other than admin building, the other three buildings are management, medicine, and law respectively. So here, the first three lines itself, this is 2019 paper. The first the first three lines itself denotes that from admin block, I have a direct connection to management block, which is 60 meters apart. From admin block to medicine block, which is 40 meters apart. Admin block to law block, which is 60 meters apart. So here, all the buildings are less than 5 kilometers. If it is less than 5 kilometers, the network connection which I am going to establish among the four buildings is local area network. Why local area network? Because it is less than 5 kilometers. This is what we would have seen in question number 1. Identify the type of network they are asking. LAN up to 5 kilometers. So where is the ideal place for the server? You have to mention the name there. Here I have mentioned it as where you find a maximum number of systems. Here in admin block only I will be finding the maximum number of systems. The topology used to build the network is, obviously it is star. I prefer star. Under extreme condition only we will be trying to choose bus. So with this one, we will try to check in the question and we will try to answer one by one. Suggest the most suitable location to install the main server of this institution to get efficient connectivity. The most suitable location to install the server. The answer for this question is, what would be the answer? The server has to be installed in the admin block as it has more number of systems when compared to other blocks. So we have answered the first question with the proper justification. Then comes, they are asking, suggest the device to be installed in each of these buildings. Let us reread the question once again. In each of these buildings, for connecting computers, they want to connect all the computers in one building. Similarly, all the computers in another building. Similarly, if I am having here in this question, I am having 4 departments or 4 blocks. They want to connect that block, X block, that is admin block. All the systems has to be interconnected. For this one, they have given the choices as modem, switch, gateway, router. This question also I have given the answer. In order to connect, name the device used to connect the systems within a building. This is what I have given the answer as hub or switch. Here in this choose the best answer, they have given only switch. So I am choosing this as the answer. Question number 2 is also over. Then here, suggest by drawing the best cable layout for effective network connectivity. For effective network connectivity of the blocks having server with all the other blocks. So they are asking us to draw the diagram. That is the layout diagram. In order to draw the layout diagram, see, I am having a admin is one thing. Then what are the other medicine, management and law? Medicine, management and law. So these are the three buildings, right? So in order to draw the layout diagram, I'm trying to take from admin, I am taking a direct connection between medicine. From admin, I am taking a direct connection to management. And then I will be taking one direct connection to law department. See here, we have to mention in the arrow mark. See, since I am drawing using the system, I find it a little bit difficult. In the arrow mark, we have to mention the distance between each and every building. Admin to medicine is 40 meters. Somehow, admin to management, what is the distance? Now it is, we have to write like this, 60 meters. This is 60 meters. Now we can able to write. Here, this is admin to medicine block. This we have to mention it while drawing the what is that layout diagram. So the next comes the last building, that is admin to law. What is the, yes, it is 40 meters again. This we have to mention. And then along with this one, the cable layout we have drawn as star topology, TOP. And don't forget to mention as LAN network. See, while drawing the layout diagram, I have to keep this in mind. See, when I am trying to give a connection, I have to mention the distance between those two buildings. Similarly, I have to state what topology I have, which topology I have chosen, and then what is the network. So these are the three subdivisions which I have to answer for this particular question, right? So then the fourth question is, suggest the most suitable wired medium for effective connectivity of each computer installed in every building out of the following cables. So they have given three choices. As I said earlier, if twisted pair is not given at that instance, we can directly choose Ethernet cable for wired connectivity. When twisted pair is not given, go for Ethernet. So my Ethernet would be my answer for that particular question. So this winds the 4-mark question of 2019 board paper. We have completed solving 2019 board paper. Now let us move on to 2018. Here they have given a paragraph. So at instance, we need to read this paragraph. So my eye should move on where in order to crack the particular problem now, where the number of systems has been given. Here also you are having 4 units. See, this particular administrative office is going to have the highest number of systems, and here only we will be trying to choose the server. So simultaneously we have to check whether we can find a direct connection between administrative block and pediatrics department, administrative block and neurology, administrative block and orthopedics unit. So here administrative to orthopedics is available. Then administrative to neurology is also available. Similarly, pediatrics unit to administrative. So here, in the previous question, the first 3 line itself, we are able to find the direct connectivity. Whereas here, we have to check one by one. It is present there. This is one connection from the server. This is another connection from the server. Why I am trying to choose this one now? I have to check whether I should draw the cable layout, either star or bus. Preferably, I will be going for star. Hence, I have checked first itself. If that question is asked, layout diagram is asked, we are going to draw the layout diagram. If it is not asked, we are going to leave it. Before itself, we are, before checking the question itself, we are trying to finalize some of the answers. So administrative building is given, orthopedics, neurology, and pediatrics unit is given, right? Suggest the most suitable location to install the main server. So the main server will be installed at the administrative office, as it has more systems when compared to the other units. This would be my answer. So whether they are asking for the justification or not, we are supposed to give the justification without fail. So people will not be reading the question properly. At instances, if you are writing the explanation, that is one more line. Some people will be writing directly administrative office. Rather than giving it as a word, write it as a sentence along with the explanation, wherein we will be in a comfortable position, right? So suggest the best cable layout for effective network connectivity best cable layout. The best cable layout is the layout diagram. This is what they are asking. So the layout diagram here, what are the units I have? Administrative. Okay. Let me give it in short form: AO, OU, PU, and NU. AO, PU is one unit, NU is another unit, OU is another unit. These are the 3 units we have to draw. So, how to draw a network connection? Again, we have to have a gap between these 2 things. So, this is how we are trying to insert. So, one more thing is there. So, these are the 3 units we have done with this one. And most importantly, we are not supposed to forget to what? Write the length of each and every unit. Orthopedic status for OU it is 55. For NU it is 30 meters. For PU it is 40 meters. So these are the 3 things. With this thing in mind, for PU I have NU is 30 meters. Then let us draw one by one, which is first one is PU, that is it is 40 meters. In this line we are just mentioning it. With respect to NU, it is 30 meters, and with respect to OU, orthopedics unit is 55 meters. See here also, the distances between the server and each and every building is less than 5 kilometers. The topology, I have drawn a star topology, and the network connection I have chosen here is LAN. Why LAN? Again I say it is less than 5 kilometers. So this one. Suggest the devices to be installed in each of the buildings. This is what the same question which you have seen in 2019 also. Each of the building for connecting computers installed within the building out of the following. Among the 3 things, again I say the answer in each of the building now for connectivity, I will be choosing switch. Switch would be my answer. Even though we have written the answer here, see here, suggest the topology of the network on the cable network for efficiently connecting each computer. Efficiently connecting each computer in each of the building out of the following. So topologies, they are given bus star. See here, I am choosing star topology. This would be my answer. Why? Because I have drawn only the star topology. That is the layout star topology. Then with respect to the network cable, wired, I prefer, since tested pair is not given, I prefer the best option as Ethernet cable. And this would be my answer. So with this note, we have completed successfully 2018 paper. Now we will try to solve 2017 paper. This would be the last paper for us to solve. So here also, there are only 3 buildings. I directly mark this particular training building as the server. This is where I am going to keep the server. I am going to check training to accounts block. Training to accounts block, that is one connection. Then admin to training block, that is also there. So direct connection is available. Do not try to confuse this one. We are having only 3 connections. And the head office, Mumbai head office to Chennai, the distances, they have given it as 1300 kilometers. Now let us check. Suggest the best suitable place. Best suitable place to house the server in Chennai office out of the 3 given blocks. To get the best and effective and efficient connectivity, justify your answer. The server should be placed in training block. As it has more number of systems when compared to the other 2 blocks, namely accounts and admin. Best wired medium. When you look at the question here, it has 2 parts. Previously in 2018 also, if you see the last question now, it has 2 parts, half a mark for each of the questions. Here also in question number 2, they are asking us to answer for the best wired medium. This is one part. The other part is the cable layout part. Draw the cable layout. You are having 2 parts here also. Within the Chennai office compound. Now let us check wired medium they are asking. See here it is 300 meters, 150 meters and 200 meters. All right. The best wired medium. Since they are very few meters apart, less than a kilometer, best wired medium. I'm going to answer it as optic fiber. Since the distance is less than a kilometer, I'm giving the justification itself. I prefer this medium. Why I have chosen it is less than 5 kilometers. So less than a kilometer itself. Then laying a cable optic fiber layout will not be a costlier one. Right? If it is spanning for a very huge distance, it will be costly. So now drawing the layout diagram. Layout diagram here is training, accounts, and admin. So training, accounts one building and admin is another building. So we are having only 3 buildings here. So one minute, I will be completing it. That's it. So I have to mention the weights, that is the distances. So accounts to training is 150 meters. Accounts to training is from accounts department to training is 150 meters it is. With respect to the other one, accounts admin to training is 200 meters. So this we have drawn. The other things I have asked you to write now, the topology is star topology I have adapted. And the cable layout network is LAN network. See here, the third question, suggest a device slash software and its placement that would provide and its placement to provide entire data security. Here also it has 2 parts. Question number 3, question number 4 is there. Question number 3 has 2 parts. The device which we need is firewall. You can also check once. See in the question, to protect or safeguard the data in a network. This is question number 7 among the 12 questions. It is the firewall. So I am giving the answer as firewall. We have to say where will we be placing the firewall and its placement. Firewall, where we will place the firewall now. Firewall will be placed At the training building, that's it. At the training building. There only you are having a server. I have placed the server. So we will be having the firewall at the training building itself. Suggest a device and the protocol. Here also you are having two things. Here, let me underline so that when we read the question itself, we have to read it thoroughly so that we will not be in a position to miss something. And its placement. These are the two things I have to go through while answering the question. So here also two subdivisions is there. Suggest a device. So device is needed. I have not read the question completely. And also the protocol. So I have to give two answers for this one also. That shall be needed to provide wireless internet access. Wireless internet access to all smartphone laptop users in the Chennai office. So the device, normally for internet connectivity, we will be using the device called as modem, or people can say Wi-Fi router. So modem will be the first device, and the other one is to provide wireless internet access. With respect to the topology, that is my 10th question. If you check, for wireless communication, I will be using a protocol called as WAP. People will be writing it as normally TCP/IP. Here, since they are specifically given it as wireless internet access, I will be writing it as WAP. Along with it, try to give the full form. Wireless application protocol. I hope this topic is clear. From here onwards, I think you can solve problems related to this communication in an easier manner. Thank you for the session.